off work and I checked my mailbox. Look what I got. Sorry if you wanted a aesthetic unboxing. I'm terrible at opening things. Guys. Oh, trying to make it as aesthetic as possible. Okay, so this part obviously goes in the phone. 2 mini microphones. This is literally like the perfect size, and like the little charger. Here it is. I think it's just a USB-C cord actually, so you can use any USB-C cord. Let's use it. Right now it's not in my phone. Hey guys, I'm gonna try and do this while the video's already going. We're gonna see what happened. Okay, so while this thing was plugged in, it wasn't getting any audio because the mics aren't on. I guess it's not charged. Am I dumb? Like, what's wrong? Coming on. Oh my god, wait. Hello. I'm about to see if it worked. Oh my god. It works because I didn't hold down the button long enough. That was the problem. So you have to hold it for a few seconds and then it will turn on. Okay? Learn from my mistakes. It's like weird because I can't hear myself, but like I know that it's going through to my phone, like in the mic. Wow. I'm so excited to play around with this new little toy of mine. So guys, I was very excited when I got off of work today because I saw that my little package was delivered. This is the wireless Lavaller, I don't know how to say that word, microphone. But it's on TikTok Shop. I'm literally obsessed with TikTok Shop. It's basically like everything that you need to be a creator, honestly. Like this was in my budget, obviously, and this is gonna make my video quality and my videos so much better, and it's just so much more fun when you have a freaking little microphone. If like you're on a podcast or something. And then I guess this little box is just, you have to charge it every once in a while. I'm not sure. I don't see a light on it or anything like indicating that it's on or if it's dying or whatever, but there is little lights on this, so maybe it's like all connected. But they all do have the USB-C ports, so I'm guessing that they all do have like kind of a limited battery life, and then you have to obviously recharge them because that's what the charger comes from. So guys, definitely invest in this if you want better audio quality on your videos. If you want whatever you want to use a microphone for, you can. I mean, 100% a good investment. It makes me so excited to film videos, which is such a good thing, and I just don't want to stop talking because I want to have more footage to listen to. I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little review / unboxing. I'm gonna shut up now. I'm delusional. I just got off work. It's like 1 a.m. Just got home. So get this right now and subscribe to me. And also in the comments, give me some video ideas that could be fun and funky with the mic. I know like a lot of people I see with these do interviews. I'm not a social person per se, but I'll figure out something. I think that this is okay to be a short and sweet little video. It works. It's amazing. Quality is super good. It was a good price. It comes with instructions, 2 mics, a plug, and yeah. I mean, I don't know how better I can sell it to you because you're hearing it right now for yourself. So if you want this mic quality and you want just something super simple, this is my very first mic type of thing that I've ever bought. So I'm, as you can see, so excited. I've probably said that I'm very excited 400 times so far, so yeah. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more unboxing and reviews and tutorials or whatever, I am going to be doing a lot of those. Like, I was waiting to get these microphones actually so that I can do better reviews and stuff with better audio quality. So stay tuned. Alright, anyways, I'm actually going to shut up now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
I know you got all dressed up for the club. Waiting on it, come